week's Superintendent Spotlight highlights the vibrant and engaging jazz assembly that was held at Bradford Elementary School in honor of Women's History Month this year. In partnership with Montclair State University, talented student musicians brought the music and stories of legendary women jazz artists to life, featuring icons like Billie Holiday, Geri Allen, and Mary Lou Williams. Our students not only enjoyed incredible performances, but also learned about how to identify different components of music from their teacher, as well as the powerful legacies and contributions of these trailblazing women from the college students. It was a fun, interactive, and meaningful way to celebrate the impact of women in music and history.
Everyone say swing, swing, a lane. Swing, swing, a lane, swing, a lane, swing, a lane, swing, a lane, swing. Can you say with me? 1, 2, 3, 4, swing, swing, a lane, swing, a lane, swing, a lane, swing, a lane, swing, a lane. 1, 2, 3, 4, swing, swing, a lane, swing, a lane. Let me hear like a good, nice, solid swing. Hear that? Everyone say swing, swing, a lane. Swing, swing, a lane. Swing, swing, a lane, swing, a lane, swing, a lane. You want to add the walking bass line just over the A? 1, 2, 3, 4. Want to do walking bass line with your fingers, guys?